Oh, si Ed. Di ko nga, guys, I know everybody asking me where is Ed, what's happening with Ed. Guys, after the song, I don't know what's happening to him. Even when I last saw him on the social media, I don't know what's happening. When I last saw he already engaged. Yeah, so he already engaged, I think. Yes, I'm living in the Philippines. Yes, of course. I'm not, my son, he's watching TV. And of course, court. Because, of course, I'm not selling this is not good or it's not healthy. Because I using this. So, of course, I love myself. I don't want to give a problem to myself, right? That's why. Oh, yeah. Hello, Kami. Bye. Yeah, the product is so very safe because this is not safe. I will not destroy my name for fake, right? I'm not selling my brand. This is my own brand, so it's safe because I selling my own brand, and especially I don't want to destroy my name because my name is very special for me because everybody know about me. So I don't want to destroy my name because of the fake product, guys. I'm not. And you know, guys, it's a lot of a brand to um sending me what you call that product, but I'm not, that's all, not especially the skincare, not, no, not all, it's my, not all my is what you call that, not all accept, uh, not, I'm not received, not all at all, because it's, I know not all product is very safe, especially me, because I have sensitive skin. I have, is that your product? Yes, Hannah, honey, this is my product. If you want to buy, you can buy to our www.rosevega.store. Guys, if this is not safe, guys, if this is not, I'm not selling this. And of course, my skin is so very sensitive. Especially my skin tone is brown. So I don't want to use whitening product or whitening skincare. Yes, because that's good on my skin. Because I love my skin morena. I'm Filipina and I'm proud of it. Yeah. You're welcome, Rene Donly. So, I'm done. I'm not put my name here if this is not safe, everyone. You do, honey. So, that's why I'm here. I just want, yes, available siya kami sa Shopee, sa TikTok, sa Lazada, Rose Online Shop, Blooming Set. Yes. It's only 349 lang. Apat na sa marireceive mo. Yeah, this is Rose Venga Blooming Set, Rosalie. Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, I'm not putting my name on the box. If this is not safe, because before I release my team releasing this, guys, I use this for months, for a month. So, it's safe to me. So, how about you guys? I have sensitives too. I have sensitive skins too. Yeah. Yes, it's me. So, asking anything, guys, before I promoting my product again. So, it's when I promoting product here, people are asking me if anything. So, ask me now. I'm free. Joji, maybe if God give me a chance to move there, why not? That's my chance to go into somewhere. So, oh, if God give me a chance to go or living outside my country, why not? Doggy, what is the thing? Doggy missionary. I love dogs. Honey, I want to try your